So welcome back once again, and here we are in the last of the control statements in C, that is the go to control statement. As for the break and the continue statement, that we will better understand while we are doing the loops in C program. So you have to wait for the loops in the C program till that, and only then we will be able to make better understanding of the break and continue statement. But we have learned little bit about the break while we have used the switch case control statement. So what exactly is the go to control statement? So that we have to first understand that C support a unique form of a statement, that is the go to statement, also called as the jump statement, because it is used to jump the sequence of the program from one point to another point within a program. Used to branch unconditionally within a program from one point to another to change the sequence of execution of a C program by shifting the control to a different part of the same program. So this is basically go to statement is used that, as we know that C is a sequential programming language, and the execution of the program is done sequentially, that is line by line. But sometime we are having some a certain condition. In that case, we have to jump our execution from particular point to another point of the program. So for that we have to use the go to statement. So syntax that we have to use for the go to statement is, we have to use the go to keyword, then we have to give the name of the label. So what exactly is the label? Label is an identifier required for go statement to a place where the branch is to be made. So basically the label is an identifier. Identifier means we have to give the name to the label as we give the name to the variable. So same condition applies over here. And while giving the label, so for the creating the labels, we have to use syntax like this way. We have to give the label name, then we have to put the colon here, and after that we have to write the body of the label. So now in the last we have to understand how to use go to statement in the real program in C. So for that we are moving to our integrated development environment. Now we are into our IDE, and here I have already written a program, and that is a small program already have written. The purpose of this program is just to demonstrate how to use go to statement in C program. So what basically is there, we are asking the user to enter the total marks. If the total marks is greater than equal to 50, then we are going go to the label pass, else we are going to the label fail. So here we have created the two label with the name of fail. Fail will print the message better luck next time, and pass will display a message congratulations you made it. So this is basically here, if this condition is true, the body will get executed, and from this location, this position, the control will jump from here to directly to this line, that is pass. And if this condition fail, the control will jump from here, this statement, to this statement that will display printf, that is better luck next time, from here. So just in order to execute this program, just go to execute menu, then choose compile and run. If you see, enter, so please enter your subject marks. So here I enter the marks 85, and it's displaying me message congratulations you made it. So what has happened, if the marks are greater than equal to 85, I have written go to pass. So this, from this go to statement, what it will do, it will make the jump from this statement of execution to directly this label, that is pass label, and display us a message congratulations you made it. And one more time I will execute this program. Just click on the run, and this time I am entering the marks, say 21, that is less than equal to 50. So this time it's showing me message, better luck next time, you have failed, better luck next time. So that's how we have to use the goto statement in our C programs. That's all for now. See you soon in the next video.